Hi, I'm Jeffy. It is really a great honor for me to have this opportunity. I hope I can make a good performance. I'm a year 1 student from mainland of China. My major is accounting. I'm a bright, energetic, and confident person. I'm also well organized. For example, I'll make a specific plan before starting a task. I think I can become a good team player. When it comes to my hobbies, I have lots of interests such as taking photos, cooking, singing, and reading books. I have achieved the first prize in the writing competition and the second prize in the piano contest. I'm also outstanding in the field of academic knowledge. I study well and hard in my subjects such as business, mathematics, chemistry, and so on. I'm always honored as the excellent student. After entering the university, I became a member of the local volunteers association. I've conducted many voluntary teaching for primary school students for 1 year during weekends, and participated in many activities such as sports tests and charity sales. I'm interested in the project of education and culture. And there are 4 reasons why I want to apply for this project. Firstly, I want to know well about Indonesia, such as customs, history, and culture. Secondly, I want to spread Chinese culture to people from all over the world. Thirdly, I'm good at getting along well with students. I want to bring happiness to them. Finally, I want to make friends with people from all over the world and exercise myself to become a more independent person. In conclusion, I'm eager to become a member of your project. It is really a great pleasure for me to present myself to you. I'll wait for your reply. Thank you very much. That's all. Bye bye.